Want your child to be a better hitter? Tired of issuing a constant barrage of instructions?
Hey, keep your elbow up. Keep your feet from moving around.
Try talking less and hitting more. That's the Bernstein principle of athletic training. Nikolai Bernstein was a Soviet neurophysiologist, a pioneer in motor control and motor learning. His principle is the body will organize itself in accordance with the overall goal of the activity. The human body is pretty sharp. It learns from repetition and feel, not from verbal cues like, keep your elbow up. Rather, give an athlete a clear goal, provide just enough coaching, and the body will learn the best way to achieve that goal. You don't learn to walk from from your parents yelling at you to lift your foot up. Rather, from practice. A good argument for spending quality time with your children. Here at the batting cages at Tower T, for instance, practicing hitting. Give the body a clear objective to crush baseballs and softballs. Practice just that, and you will do it. Here is one man's experience growing up.
So I was taught two things as a young player from my dad: to hit the ball hard, and throw the ball hard. And I think that benefited me as a baseball player because my body was able to adapt to my environment more easily as opposed to overcoaching.
Choke up on the bat. Hey, what are you doing? You'll never make the Cardinals holding the bat like that.